In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ManyChat account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and the one requirement you must complete before the deletion can go through. Everything we'll do happens in a desktop browser, which is the recommended way to access the full set of account settings in ManyChat. First, sign in to your ManyChat account using a desktop browser. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is your central hub for account and workspace controls. Inside Settings, open the General tab. You'll see several sections here that relate to your workspace details and account preferences. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the General page. That's where the Delete Account option lives. You may notice that the button is disabled, or you'll see a notice about connected channels. That's expected. ManyChat requires you to remove the channel associated with your account before you can proceed with deletion. This ensures there are no active connections or automations running on external platforms while you close the account. To remove the associated channel, stay within Settings and navigate to the area where your connected channels appear. Click the channel that's linked to this ManyChat account. This could be a social or messaging platform integration, and then click Remove. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the disconnection. Removing the channel is a safeguard that prevents lingering connections after your account is gone, and it clears the way for the Delete Account button to become available. Once the channel has been removed, go back to Settings, open the General tab again, and return to the bottom of the page. Click Delete Account. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your choice or acknowledge what will happen next. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. After confirmation, ManyChat will begin closing out your account, and you can expect to be signed out as part of that process. To recap the flow, log in on a desktop, go to Settings, open the General tab, scroll to the bottom, and locate Delete Account. If you're prompted to remove an associated channel, return to Settings, select the channel, click Remove, and then head back to General to click Delete Account again. If you don't see the option right away, double-check that the channel is fully disconnected and that you're viewing the General tab in a desktop browser. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a ManyChat account from start to finish.